Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the new Fortnite free avatar decoration on Discord. So if the quest isn't here, you're just going to scroll down, go to Discover, go to Quests, and here you'll be able to claim a supply llama avatar decoration. You need to play the Fortnite OG Season 3 for 15 minutes with your Discord client open to unlock a supply llama avatar decoration for 2 months. So you're just going to accept quest, and then you are going to then be able to get the get the avatar decoration. What am I saying? So just accept quest and open up Fortnite. I don't have Fortnite installed right now. I'm just waiting for the Sabrina Carpenter collab, if you know what I mean. And then I'll download it later and then play it, and then hopefully I'll be able to get it, but it ends April, I guess. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.